Hello everyone, and welcome back to Genealogy. This video is part of my Decoding Your Y-DNA series, which is all about Y-DNA testing and how it can help us explore our paternal lineages. My name is Jeremy Lehman, and I am a genealogist who loves weaving DNA into my family history research. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of SNPs and haplogroups, important concepts when it comes to Y-DNA. So what exactly is a SNP? SNP stands for single nucleotide polymorphism. It's a small mutation where a single nucleotide or letter of your DNA, A, C, G, or T, gets swapped for another. In the example here, you can see a SNP mutation forms when a T is substituted for an A. These mutations are rare, occurring roughly every 50 to 150 years on the Y chromosome, and they're subsequently passed down through the generations. This means that every time a SNP mutation appears, it becomes like a timestamp on the Y chromosome. When we test for these SNPs, we can build a branching family tree of mankind. Each branch on this tree represents a haplogroup. A haplogroup groups together people who all share a specific mutation or group of mutations, meaning that they all descend from the same ancient ancestor. Each haplogroup or branch marks a point in time where a new mutation occurred and was passed on to descendants. We can infer genetic distance based on these mutations. For instance, in the illustrative example, we can infer that haplogroup D with the red and blue mutations must be more closely related to haplogroup B, which just has the red mutation, as compared with A and C that have neither of these mutations. Major haplogroups are labeled with letters A through T, and within those broad groups are many nested subgroups called subclads that contain letters and numbers. Think of it like Russian nesting dolls. You fit inside many different haplogroups, from those tens of thousands of years old down to your most recent one, called your terminal haplogroup. Each haplogroup is assigned a TMRCA, time to the most recent common ancestor, which estimates when the shared mutation or group of mutations appeared. You'll belong to many nested haplogroups, from ancient times all the way to recent centuries. Your terminal haplogroup is the most recent mutation you share with other testers. For example, I belong to many nested haplogroups, but my current terminal haplogroup is GFT 370-500, which emerged around 1700 CE. That mutation defines my most recent paternal branch and connects me to another big Y tester who shares that same SNP. So to summarize, SNP testing gives us a time-stamped view of our paternal ancestry. While the dating of SNPs is still an estimate, SNP testing does delineate relative closeness between testers more accurately than STR testing. SNPs and haplogroups allow us to build a tree for all of humanity, leading us back from the present day all the way back through human history to the dawn of mankind, SNP by SNP. Thanks again for watching Genealogy. If you're enjoying this series, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's keep decoding your Y-DNA together.